Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can rebirth in Plants vs. Brainrots. So yes, you will lose all of your money. I just have like 100 billion or something. I don't remember, but I just lost all my money because I should have. Oh, I think the rebirth level was not updated, so I couldn't rebirth anymore after that. So I just rebirth and then I will rebirth again because I already have all the requirements. You'll need two of the requirements here. You'll unlock more luck, more money, a stronger bat, in a card pack. So I have enough money, so I'm just going to rebirth and then I'm just going to press yes. There is another one. I don't have the secret pot hotspot though, so I will need to get that brain rot first before rebirthing again. So, ooh, are you kidding me? 6'7"? Seriously? I just realized that. Sorry, but my friend just gave me that brain rot and I just realized it's 6'7". So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.